Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Leia for today's helicopter tour around the Hawaii Community Park. The Hawaii Community Park is a non-profit park where all the donations go towards dinosaurs and local Hawaiian community welfare. During this ride you'll get opportunity to participate in currently ongoing dinosaur photo contest where the winning photo will be auctioned to get donations for the park. If you see a perfect moment, make sure you click the photo. The weather seems nice today, which will allow us to do some close maneuvers near dinosaurs. So, make sure you keep your seat belts fastened and enjoy the ride. Coming up first is our dinosaur aviary, which has a flock of Geosternbergia and two mighty big bird dinosaur Quetzalcoatlus. Do make sure you visit the aviary once you're down there. Let us go over some of the facts about this park. First, none of the dinosaurs here were captured or imported from the mainland. These dinosaurs have been born and raised here as part of a scientific experiment 30 years ago, and they are here since. Now I would like to welcome you all to the Ohio Pools of Maui, Hawaii. These pools are one of the most popular attractions of this Hawaiian island, and few herbivores call this their home. Let's see if we can get close to this Momentosaurus. This is the biggest dinosaur of the park, and it is also the oldest dinosaur here. Do try to get a picture of it. These pools are just spectacular, isn't it? Let's try to get a closer look. Moving on, flying to our next attraction, which is also a crowd favorite, the Spine Lagoon Island, home of Spinosaurus and surrounded by our human-friendly herbivores. Let's see if you guys can get good pictures here. And that is one of our mighty Spinosaurus. Let's get a better look. And that finishes off our tour for today. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Do enjoy rest of your day in the park and be safe down there. Now, let's head back home. Thank you everyone, it was a pleasure to ride with all of you today. Tip boxes are right behind the pilot's seat, and for any reviews or feedbacks, one of our representatives can help you out once you get off this chopper. Thanks again.